Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch. Now, today is Wednesday, the 19th of September. So without further ado, if we could start, and what we do during this session is look for high probability trading opportunities for the day ahead. So if we could start, as we always do, with our risk warning, of course, familiarize yourselves with the risks involved in trading these financial markets. Okay, so let's discuss, like I said, some high probability trading opportunities that we can utilize for the day ahead. So for this, we'll get up our trading platform, and we've been a little bit elusive with the title of this particular video and recording. We do have the Bank of Japan with their monetary policy statement and rate decision in the early hours of this morning, and that is likely to impact the yen quite considerably. The Bank of Japan and Kuroda himself are obviously very aware. We've got the Fed increasing interest rates, the Bank of England having increased interest rates there a few months back, and the Eurozone are looking to end their bond buying purchasing probably towards the end of this year. So they are sort of lagging behind other central banks. It's going to be interesting to see if at all any decision will be made. So we just want to draw your attention to the yen pairs. They have been selling off going into this news event, and we just wonder if that is likely to continue or not. So really a little bit of a question mark over the yen. And what we're likely to see is a little bit of volatility tomorrow. So do keep a close eye on the recent weakness in terms of whether it continues to the upside or whether it actually reverses to the downside. Now, in addition to the yen pairs, we've seen some significant moves yesterday in the US equity space. So a bit of a bullish engulfing. So really, we would be looking to buy this market above the 29.16 level to the upside. That's the S&P. We've already extended above this recent level for the Dow Jones. So, excuse me, let me just convert this to our usual color. So there you go. You've got the 26,308. Above that, we'll be looking for a continuation to the upside. And we can actually work with today's high of, let me just get rid of some of these again, of the 75.27 level. Somewhere above that particular level would give us a high probability trade to the upside. We've created a bit of a double bottom here, the weekly low. Now, there's a couple of other interesting trades just for you to be aware of. The first one is the potential for this market to roll over to the downside below the 88.70 level, where we've currently extended this little move. The euro did strengthen over the course of yesterday, but then subsequently rolled over to the downside. So we're very likely to get this market continuing over to the downside. And the other sort of little market worth looking at on an intraday basis is the dollar CAD, to see if we do get extension beneath yesterday's low. And if we do, that could represent a short-term opportunity to potentially sell this market, perhaps down to these lower levels down here. So a few markets beginning to sort of give us a little bit clearer direction. So we do hope that this daily trade watch video will assist with that. Do keep an eye on the yen and of course the US equity markets as well, with the euro pound to the downside and also the dollar CAD potentially to the downside as well. Okay, so if you would like to connect with us, please do through our YouTube channel. Just search for the Live Trade Room, all one word, and you'll be able to subscribe to our channel there. Also through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. That just about concludes today's Daily Trade Watch. So thank you very much for joining us. Do take care, and we look forward to seeing you next time. For everyone here, bye for now.